Hello, friends. Brendan here. A confusing point for the speakers of English language is whether to use used to or used to in a phrase. Used to with ed is used to describe an action that was common or ongoing previously but no longer occurring. For example, this ground used to be a cricket ground but has been converted into a football field. As a general rule, since the action described is in the past, it is correct to use the past tense used to. For example, I used to like cats, but I got scratched by one last month, and now they scare me. The only circumstance you could correctly use or correctly say used to without ed is in combination with the word did. Since did is already in past tense, used to without ed is the proper way to follow it. For example, I did used to like cats, but I got scratched by one last month and now they scare me. This is an informal way of speaking and is not as commonly used. Now, used to can also be used as an adjective when preceded by to be. That means to have become accustomed to something, used to something, accustomed to something. If it is used as an adjective, it will always be written in the past tense with ed. For example, my wife is used to me working late. I am used to waking up early. I am used to driving long distances. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please do click on the like button. Shall appreciate it. Thank you so much. Take care, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay happy. Adios.